So in the latest updates of Google Chrome, they finally added the vertical tabs option in their browser. As you can see, I have the vertical tabs turned on. So this is how it's going to look. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable this. So to enable the vertical tabs, just go to your URL box and here you need to search for Chrome flags. Search for Chrome flags. As you can see, this is the Chrome flags. Click on it. And in the search bar here, search for vertical tabs. You can see vertical tabs here, and right now I have enabled this option already. So if you have default or disabled, you need to enable it. And after enabling it, you just need to close your Google Chrome browser and relaunch it. So after restarting your Google Chrome, if you just right click on a tab here, you will see there's the option of show tabs vertically. So if I click on this, now you can see the show tabs vertically option has been turned on. You can also expand tabs by this, and you can see there's a lot of tabs I have already opened here. And if you want to add a new tab, just click on this plus icon. This will add a new tab. And now if you want to get back to the old version, right click on the tab, and you will see the show tabs horizontally. And you get the old version tabs. So this is the new cool update from Google Chrome. Now if you want to use the vertical tabs, you can use this, or if you don't like, you can just use these tabs like this. So that's it guys, this is the new update that I want to share with you. Maybe they will add more new features, so I'll be sharing the video in this channel. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.